Hi friends, welcome to Citi's Biology. Today I am going to give the detailed information about the DNA microarray. First, let you know about what is meant by microarray. Micro means small, array means series of arrangement. Means a complete set of sequences or arranged in a grid-like pattern is known as a microarray. Based on that, if we use the DNA to diagnose, it is known as a DNA microarray. DNA microarray is commonly known as DNA chip or the biochip. In this, it is a collection of microscopic DNA spots. In this technique, the thousands of genes are experimentalized or analyzed in a single experiment. And this technique means this DNA microarray is rely on the principle of the hybridization, and this is known as a DNA microarray chip. In this, see that this is a plastic solid surface. In that the glass plate was there. In that glass plate, the small spots were arranged. In the small spot, again 4 spots are arranged. This is the gene chip. This is manufactured by the company Affymetrix. In this chip, about 5 lakhs probes are arranged. Means at a time we are going to analyze 5 lakh thousands of samples or genes in a single experiment. This is the use or benefit of this. Previously, I already showed the DNA chip. It consists of a small glass plate. That glass plate was encased or overlaid on the plastic. It contains thousands of probes, fabricated probes onto the glass plate. Each spot contains multiple copies of the DNA sequences, and each gene or probe occupies a particular spot. I said the DNA chip contains multiple spots. In each spot, one gene was occupied or one probe was occupied. Those probes are fluorescently labeled for emitting the color of the result of the gene analysis. And these DNA microarray chips were manufactured by the different companies like Stats Company, Array Company, and the Perkin-Elmer, and the Genesphere, Array8, GS group of companies, and Seneco. Like the different companies are manufacturing this microarray chip. Before the discovery of the DNA microarray chip, it takes long time and years to identify each gene. For that reason, the scientists have put an effort to discover this microarray based on the technique of southern blotting. And Mark Skene was the scientist who first proclaimed this DNA microarray technique. So he is known as the father of the microarray technique. After his discovery, all the complete thousands or lakhs of genes are analyzed in a single experiment in less time period. Let's see what is the principle rely on this microarray technique. Means it rely on the principle of the hybridization. Means the two complementary strands of the DNA were joined together with the help of the hydrogen bonds to form the double-stranded molecule. These hydrogen bonds bond to the either nucleotides. Means adenine gets bonded with the thymine, and the guanine gets bonded with the cytosine. Like this, the hydrogen bond was formed between the nucleotide sequences. Let's see what is the technique behind it. It contains 3 steps. One is the preparation of the DNA chip, and next is the experiment, and next is the collection and analysis of the result. Let's see how this DNA chip was prepared. In this, it contains several methods. In this case, the designed probes are attached to the surface of the matrix with the help of the fine needle or with the help of the surface engineering methods. Here the tissues or the cells are collected as a sample. From the samples, the RNA was extracted. From the RNA, mRNA is separated. With the help of the complementary strands, complementary strand DNA, the 2 samples are complementary labeled with the help of the hybridization technique. After completing the hybridization technique, the collection of the data was analyzed with the help of the microarray scanner. This scanner consists of a laser, computer, and a camera. The scanner exists fluorescent of the cDNA. The result emit as a color. So red color spot gives a gene expressing normal cells. Green means a mutated tumor cells, and yellow means a normal and tumor cells mixing. In this way, the results were obtained. See this slide. One is emitting as a red, one is emitting as a yellow, one is emitting as a green, and one is emitting as a white. In this way, the result was obtained. Let's see what are the types of the DNA microarray? cDNA microarray uses a complementary DNA strands, and oligonucleotide DNA microarray, it uses the chemically synthesized, and next back, it uses a template amplified by the polymerase chain reaction as a probe, and SNP microarray used to detect the polymorphism within a population. And next, coming to the applications, it is useful for the discovery of the REDs, DNA sequencing, gene expressing profiles, to observe DNA mutations like that, etc. And what are the advantages in this are wide data for the thousands of genes, and instead of many experiments, it rely on only one experiment, fast and easy. Different parts of DNA are analyzed. And what are the coming to the disadvantages? These chips are expensive to create. One more thing in this is the DNA chips do not have the long shelf life. This is about the complete detailed information about the DNA microarray. Thanks for watching.